Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you nail mail, and this is my Christmas gift that my son got for me. It's something that I've had on my wish list, and it is a nail polish bottle shaker. This is how it was packaged, so let's open it together. Alright, so let's see what it looks like. These are the little straps to hold down the bottles. This is the power cable. And this is the actual shaker. This is really pretty. I like that they put the glitter on there. Feels really heavy. You can also use it with batteries, and even though the box says 4D batteries, it's 4 AA batteries. The 4 grips on the bottom help it to stay in place. So let's plug it in. Right, we're all plugged in, so let's see how it sounds. You get 3 of the nail polish bottle holders. So let's test it out with this one. You just fit it right over the opening and then strap down the bottle. Now let's turn it on. It sounds a lot louder because of the table that it's on. So I'm gonna have to put something under it. See, that actually looks pretty good. Let's try this one. I'm gonna put this under it, see if it helps with the sound. So you can definitely see a difference, but I only put it on for a few seconds just to test it out. That's awesome. This Funky Fingers nail polish bottle has a really weird shape, so I wasn't able to get the strap over the bottle part, but I was able to strap it down on the lid part, and it actually worked. So that's another really good point, that you can use it on all sizes of nail polish bottles. So as far as my first impressions go, I'm really happy with it, and I think it's going to work really well for what I need it to mix all my nail polishes. And I'll definitely keep you guys updated. If anything goes wrong with it, I will let you know. But so far, so good. Let me know if you've ever used one of these before. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!